back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from Lindos. Yes. So my name is Yemisi and let's start. So Lindos is based in Akwa Ibom State. She also has a store in Ikeja, which I'm going to leave all those details below. So what am I sharing with you today? They have foundations, the eyebrow pencil, and setting mist. So but today what I'm going to show you is the foundation. I'm going to be viewing the foundation and the setting mist. So let's get into it. So it's a waterproof foundation, and then this is how it comes in the casing. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging and show you what we have. Wow. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's a bottle, a glass bottle, and then it has this rose gold. I don't know if you can see this. It has this rose gold topping that you can use to. It's rose gold, and this is how it will be on the body. So that's it. So, and then it has this glass crystal-like glass. It's so classy. Like, I like the finish of the bottle. I like the attention to detail. It's really nice. It's really. So on the bottle, it's written Lindos waterproof liquid foundation. That's what it is. And this shade that I have here is number 3. So I have 3 foundations, and I have one makeup setting. One, which is a typical. This is just yellow undertone, pure yellow undertone. It's not beige. Then this is the next one. This is number 2, and then this is number 3. So these are the 3 foundations. I don't know if you can see them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the 3 is the darkest shade, 1 is the lightest, then 2 in between, and then 3 darkest shade. So I will try on 3. Let's see. I will try on 3 because I want to show you guys what it looks like on the skin, the finish. But I will not use a lot of it so it doesn't come out too, so I'll just work it and so you can see. The first thing I'll do is I'm going to use my L'Oreal Triple Active Normal to Combination Skin Multi Protection Day Moisturizer. So I'm not using anything like a primer, a setting. No, I'm just going to use this because I need a bit of moisture on my face first. And then, so this. I've had this for a while. You can see it's almost empty. The feeling you get when you use product, when you use up product. This year I said I was not going to be buying a lot of products. I wanted to use up what I have, and I have done just that. I'm so proud of myself. Can you see? Okay, so let me just get into it. So you apply on the face. It's just a moisturizer because I don't like to put the foundation directly on my face without having some sort of protection on. I already have done my brows and my liner, and to save us time, I just want to demo what the foundation, how it works. So I apply this foundation. I'm going to be using my stippling brush, and I like to use stippling brush on my face. This is the Health Ultimate Blending Brush. Perfect. Like, it's beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful stippling brush. So I just take a little bit. It's thick. Can you see the consistency? So that's enough. So then I take the brush and then I just dab into the foundation. Just take it into that. So I'm going light hand so that I don't just alter the way I look at it. And then the thing with waterproof foundation, you have to be very fast. Like I said, I know that this shade is not my shade. It's a little lighter, but I just wanted to show you guys the coverage and the finish. So I'm not going to be using concealer and all that for this video because I just wanted to show you what the coverage of the foundation is, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. So also bear in mind that number 3 might be a bit lighter for me, but I just want to show you the coverage. So can you see the finish? So I'm blending it to my neck so it doesn't look like it's different. So that's it. What do you think? I think it works. It gives that skin finish. It definitely gives that skin finish. Like, and the good thing about the waterproof foundation is that with waterproof foundation you can actually go under the sun. You don't have to worry about its strength because there's some ingredient in it that actually helps to hold it in place. But the only challenge you have with waterproof foundation is that to take it out, it's a lot of work because it's giving you full coverage and it would cover up your pores. So you need to use a makeup remover to take out the makeup, which is like normal. A baby wipe won't take this out totally, so you need a makeup remover to take off the makeup for you because it is waterproof, and then what that means is it lasts longer than the regular. So like if you're going on the first date and you're going swimming, you can actually wear this foundation. That's the good about it. Even when you swim, it will not come up, it will still stay in place. If you are under the sun sweating, it would still stay put because it's a waterproof foundation. And if you don't like to do a lot of touch up, like every now and then touching up on your foundation and powder, this is perfect for you because it actually gives you that full coverage. This is even me wearing the foundation without the powder. You can see the way it looks without the powder. So I'm going to put a bit of powder on it just to show you in the foundation. Make sure you're tested so that you know your shade. Otherwise, if you don't test for your shade, or if you don't find out what your shade is, you might be matched wrongly and then you might not take your exact color. Like you can see in the bottle it looks lighter, but on my skin it looks perfect. Like, can you see? For this Lindos foundation, it gives a very full skin finish. Just a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of it, you just need a little and it goes a long way. Another thing you need to note is if you're not a makeup person, you can actually use this without using powder on it. You can actually wear just like this and you're good to go. But if you want to do the extra shenanigans, you can actually put your powder on it. And you're looking at the bottle, you think that the foundation is really light, but look at the way it looks on my skin. It looks like my exact color. I'm going to be setting the foundation with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. So that's what it looks like, as Dark Deepest. Yeah, but I'm not supposed to use dark, but I'm supposed to use deep dark, what dark deep, whatever. I'm just going to use a bit of it to set it. Yeah, so this is my face with the foundation and powder. It looks flawless, it looks perfect. Like, can you see? I'm wearing 3 that might look a little bit lighter than I am, but like I said, I worked it. So this is what it looks like. So what do you think? Perfect it or not? I think it works. So like I said, for this foundation, you need it to stay on for a longer period. You want full coverage, you want something that you don't have to touch up on all the time, you want something that you just apply and you're good to go. You can even go swing with it and you don't have to worry about makeup moving or shifting. It's still intact, so this is it. Finally, I'm going to be using the window setting to set the makeup. So here, let's see how it goes. You have to shake and then spray. So I'm just going to keep a little bit of distance so I don't water on my face, just so you can see. Okay, so that's it. So number one thing I like about it is the smell. It has this soothing smell. It smells like rich cosmetics. It smells like a very rich perfume, I like the smell. It's not disturbing. It just smells like cosmetics. It smells nice. Then number 2, this really stays on for a long time. Like if you use it on your makeup and then you go out, it stays in place for a long time. It doesn't move. So that's that. I'm going to put the price below, but what I don't like about it is the nozzle, like the way it comes out. Can you see the sprit? It comes like it doesn't sprit. So what I did was I got another spray cap for it, and then I use it, and then we're good to go. So once it dries up, it stays on for a long period. You don't have to worry about touch, like I said. It just seals the makeup in place. If you don't want that water splash makeup effect on your face. If you want it to come in a mist, then you can just change the cap, which is not a big deal, just change the cap up, pour a little bit into another container that has a better spray can, so that's it. But this actually works, and then it smells really nice, like I said, so it's not a problem. And then it dries in minutes, so while it dries you can still work on it, dab here and there, but if not, you can leave it and then let it dry naturally. So this is the Lindos waterproof liquid foundation. This is what it looks like in 03. That's what I'm wearing, and I have my MAC Mineral Skin Finish in dark deepest on, and I set it with the Lindos makeup setting spray. So that's it. So these are the two items you can find on my face. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm going to leave the video below if you want to try them, where you can get them from. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you have any questions or any observation or anything you want to ask me, just drop a comment below and then I will answer you, and we'll take it from there. Go ahead to turn on your notification bell and please subscribe and tell your friends about this channel. If you have anything you want to review or talk about, yeah, I would love to do that. I'd love to have suggestions from you, and I would love to do that and give my honest review. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.